on the track. What'd you say? $750. Oops. One shoot.
Yeah, I noticed that. Got about 10 more feet behind you if you need it.
We do. We need all of it we can get.
6 feet. Another 4 feet.
I'm worried about making that turn.
Yeah, we're gonna have to 3-point it. Yeah.
I was waiting for the big tug on the brakes and never got it.
Just sitting there right on top here.
There should be a bungee cord. There should be a bungee cord there too.
No, I put it on the golf cart.
Oh.
You wanna move your bike and then I'll give you a push.
Thought that was fucking Randy when you walked away. I'm at the end.
Nah, flip him. There you go. If we go any tighter, we'll hit the left tire, so.
Sorry guys.
No, you're good.
What we're here for.
It sounded good. Where we were at, it sounded like you're hauling ass.
Yeah.
We were the only one we heard the burnout. Everybody else couldn't hear him do the burnout.
I saw something about a burnout contest.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't know if these guys are, or who's holding up the show, or why it's taking so long to send this thing.
What was that?
I don't know why they're taking so long to send cars down.
Yeah, I don't know. They had the last NE2 car lost fire.
Oh, okay. I unplugged your radio.
That burnout was fun.
Good. That's why we do it. Burnouts, parachutes, and top end beers.
What's funny is it never quit. That was me stopping the burnout.
I love that when you know, ooh, she's hopped up. That's kind of how I gauge my my tune-up if it's going to be fast or not, based on
by the burnout.
how it tugs down.
Looks like my ride's here.
Yep. My ride too. Nobody else even need to be pushed.
That's a little fast.
I couldn't tell you if it showed.
It didn't. I promise, it didn't. 107.
Yeah, it doesn't shake.
Take its way to a 107.
GoPro off? Yeah.
I guess I can get out here.
Yeah, just a little tiny bit. Like something was puddled somewhere.
That's not LS, that's small.
Yep, just like I thought, the left one. I was watching for it. I'm like, click the radio. As soon as the one chute came out, I'm like, you got one, you got one.
I'd already burned up so much ground by then.
They were real late to pop. I watched them fold out of the bag, and I'm like,
You should be opening by now.
hello. Boop. There it is. Heck.
You want in? Or you're gonna hang out down here? Huh?
No, I'm gonna ride with you guys because I don't think anybody else.
How'd you get down here?
I walked.
I'm done being there. Oh, Ash, we need the bungee.
Yeah.
The bungee.
Like you did, you're missing.
Yeah. That was funny. You see me start the burnout? Car wasn't moving. I was just floating the throttle and the car was like starting to roll at like 2 miles an hour.
We're gonna have company.
No, we're leaving right now.